Banana and chocolate, good?
Huh?
Banana and chocolate, good? Too bad. Coffee cup.
What is it?
Oh, it's good. It's like a crepe kind of thing. It's good.
Like a waffle?
Y'all want one each or just two of one? Okay, just two. Them men are good.